Welcome to the speaking section of IELTS examination. My name is Sapna Dhameja and I will be your examiner for this part of the test, and this test will be recorded. So, may I know your full name, please?
Yeah, of course. My name is Mahi Kamra.
Okay, how may I address you?
You may address me with my first name, Mahi.
May I see your identification, Mahi?
Yes, of course.
Thank you so much. Okay, where do you live?
I live in Tohana.
Okay, are you working or a student?
I am a student in class 10th grade in DAV Public School.
Okay, fine. So now few questions will be based on clothes. What kind of clothes do you like to wear, Mahi?
So I like to wear different types of clothes depending on the situation. Like I like to wear formal clothes for an important or professional meeting or interview, and I like to wear casual clothes at home or when I'm relaxing.
Okay, why do you like these clothes?
I like to wear formal clothes because it makes me look more comfortable and confident and smart, and at the same time I like casual clothes because it makes me feel comfortable and relaxed.
Okay, where do you wear formal clothes?
I wear formal clothes during school presentations, some important events, some meetings or interview.
And when do you wear casual clothes?
I wear casual clothes like visiting a nearby market, going to my friend's house, and many more places.
Okay, fine. Okay, so very nice. Before proceeding further to this interview with Mahi, here I would like to inform at your IELTS partner, we are offering online classes for IELTS all modules or any single module, whatever you want to join, be this is reading, writing, listening or speaking. So if you wish to enroll, then you can contact us. The number is given in the pinned comment and in the description also. First of all, you can book a free demo class and later on you can enroll in our courses. Thank you so much. Okay, so Mahi, now few questions will be based on spending time by yourself. Do you enjoy spending time alone?
Yes, of course. I like spending time alone because sometimes it makes me feel relaxed and it's a kind of break in your daily routine.
What do you actually do when you are alone?
So it depends on the situation and in my mood also. So usually I watch videos, movies, playing and listening songs, and spending time thinking about my goals.
Okay, why it's important to spend time alone?
I think according to me, spending time alone makes you understand about yourself better than anyone and also improve your mental peace and concentration at the same time.
Okay, so do you get bored when you are alone?
Well, not actually, because I can keep myself busy at different activities that I enjoy the most.
Okay, so now few questions will be based on shopping. Do you really like shopping, Mahi?
Yes, of course. Everybody likes shopping. I like shopping.
Do you prefer online or offline shopping or in-store shopping?
Honestly, I prefer both because if I doesn't have any time, if I don't have any time and I need something quick, then I will definitely go for online shopping. But if I have the time, enjoy the experience and compare the products, then I will prefer offline shopping.
Okay, how often do you go for shopping?
I usually go for shopping once in every 10 days or whenever I need something important.
Okay, what do you usually buy while shopping?
So I usually buy clothes for myself, accessories as a girl, and and shoes, and surprising gift from my family and friends.
That's wonderful, wonderful. Okay, now this is end of the part 1 and I am giving you this cue card where you have to speak between 1 and 2 minutes, and if you wish to make notes then you can plan your answer. Okay, yes, Mahi, you may start speaking now.
So at this point, I would like to talk about Gurgaon, which is also known as Gurugram. It is located in Haryana and is a part of Delhi NCR region. I think it is one of the most fastest developing cities in India. It is famous for its modern building, big restaurants, shopping malls, and business centers. Many national and international companies have offices there, which makes it a very important business hub. I know the city quite well because my aunt lives there, and I have visited this city several times with my family during my vacations or family gathering. And because of these visits, I have had the opportunity to discover new places. What makes Gurgaon even more interesting for me is that it offers a variety of experience. It offers a variety of experience in shopping malls, restaurants, family outings. There are many places where family can go and spend some quality time. And another reason I find it interesting is that every visit feels different. Whenever I visit it, I discover new places, try different food, and also spend quality time with my family, which make it more special. So overall, Gurgaon is lively, modern, and exciting place. So that's why I think it is one of the most exciting city I know.
That's wonderful. Great. Okay, so now this is end of the part 2 cue card. I'm going to ask some follow-up questions and all the questions will be based on the cue card. How often do you visit this city, Mahi?
As I said, I visit this city whenever I get the opportunity, like during my holidays or whenever if there are any family function or family gathering.
Okay. So what is the best thing about this city?
This city, I think, according to me, this city is more developed and have a lot of and have offers a lot of options in shopping, in education, and in public facilities.
And don't you think that it has more good health and recreational facilities as well?
Yes, I think it has more recreational facilities as compared to small cities, and I think it is more developed.
Good. Okay. According to you, is a city really good place for young people?
Yes, because young people need some career in their life, and and big cities offer it, and it has also the best healthcare facilities.
Okay. What some other reasons you consider that a city can be good for young people?
I think young people have a platform to perform anything in the big cities because big cities have more advantage honestly as compared to small cities, because small cities doesn't have that healthcare facilities that every young people should need it in their life, and also it has
More
more
career
entertainment
opportunities.
options. Yeah, that's what I
Okay,
think.
fine. Okay, what are some qualities of a good city according to you?
So, a good city should be safe, clean, well connected roads, and also offer healthcare facilities and education.
Why do people move from small towns to big cities nowadays?
Because in my point of view, small city doesn't offer a chance to be developed, and big cities offer that and also has a big entertainment, education, and healthcare, as I said before.
Okay, what can cities do to become more environment friendly?
I think cities can plant more trees, improve public facilities, and also reduce the pollution by encouraging people.
That's wonderful. Thank you so much, Mahi. Thank you. This is end of the test. Now this is time to give the feedback. So this is very excellent interview. First of all, I would like to talk about the band score. I'm giving 7 band score to Mahi, and she has really presented very well over this platform. This mock test was really good. So now I'm talking about the criteria. First of all, in the entire interview, if I talk about the fluency and coherence, it was well maintained, and especially in the cue card, she maintained the coherence very well while using different connectors, and it made me happy also. And fluency wise, she was knowing that how to manage the speed throughout the speaking, and she was speaking without effort, so this was a great thing about her speaking. Coming to the lexical resource, it was really good, as examiners in the real examination want that people or candidate who are coming for the real IELTS speaking test, they must use very uncommon words or very rare words to get the good band score, and then she performed well over here on the lexical resource part. And in GRA part, I would say that she needs to work upon that because she had done some rare grammatical errors in between while speaking, and above all, she did not play well with different type of sentences. She was trying to use only the active sentences, but this is my advice to you, Mahi, and to the candidates who are preparing for IELTS and planning to appear in IELTS. Try to use the variation in the sentences, active, passive, complex and compound sentences, and try to give some question sentences also, because this variation is required in IELTS examination. So there are 5 types of sentences you can use: active, passive, complex, compound and question sentence. If you can, then one question sentence at least. And then in the end, I would say pronunciation wise it's really wonderful, so that is why I'm giving 7 band score. And if you are planning to take IELTS, then you can subscribe my channel further, because I post mock interviews and I post tips and techniques that how to get desired band score in IELTS. Thank you so much.